Good morning, student. Today I am going to read and explain poem Bird Talk. First, I will read the poem for you. Here. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Alan Fisher. Alan Fisher is the name of the poet of this poem, Bird Talk. Student, in this poem, there are two birds. You can see in this picture here are two birds. Both the birds are sitting on the branch of a tree. And in this picture, some birds are sitting on a wire. It means bird like to sit on a wire. These two birds, first bird, this bird name is robin, and this is another bird. Its name is jay. The both birds are sitting in the garden tree, and they are talking about the people. People means we people. You, me, your mother and other. So they are talking about us. Think about people. This bird is telling to this bird that think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers. You know, student, when a bird grow, the feathers comes out from their bodies. So they are thinking why the people are not having the feather on their body. They don't eat beetles, and they are thinking, they are talking that the people don't eat the beetles like us. You know now, all the birds like to eat beetles, but we people are not eat beetles. That thing they are thinking ki people, why the people don't eat the beetles like us, and they don't grow wings, and the people are not having wings like us. Every bird has wing on their body. Then these two birds are thinking why these wings are not having on the people's body. Why the peoples not grow the wings on their body? They don't like sitting on wires and things. And both birds are talking why the people don't like to sit on the wires like us. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? It means people have not feathers, people don't eat beetles, and people don't grow wings on their body, and they don't like to sit on the wires. That people are very funny creatures. People are very funny creatures. Why they are saying the people are very funny creatures? Because the people don't do like the birds. That's why the birds, these two birds are thinking people are very funny creature. Okay. Now you understand the meaning of this poem. After this, I will explain you your work. This is your work. Today I am going to start your unit 2nd. In unit 2nd, you have to read one poem, Birds Talk, and one lesson, Nina and Baby Sparrows. In this poem, you have to do difficult words, word meaning, question answers, think and write, make sentences. Your difficult words are feathers, people, beetles, wires, funny. Word meaning: wire, metal drawn out into the form of a thin flexible thread. Second, funny, causing laughter or amusement. After this, you have to do question answer. Your first question is, name the two birds in the poem. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Second, what are the three things that people can't do? People can't have feathers and wings, they can't sit on wires, and they can't fly. Question number 3. What do birds think of people? Birds think that people are funny creatures because people differ from birds in many aspects. Now here, think and write one question. This question is your homework. This question you have to do yourself. Find the things which you can do and the birds can't do. You have to write only 2 things which you can do but birds can't do. For example, you can write on paper but birds cannot write. Now make sentence. This is also your homework. Make sentences. Make sentences with following words: bird, feather, funny, beetles. All these words you have to use to make the sentence. First I am doing for you. First is bird. A bird flies in the sky. I use this word bird here. Same you have to do. You have to use the feather to make the sentence. You have to this word funny to make a sentence, and you have to use this word beetle to make the sentence. Thank you student for watching the video. Bye bye.